Hello, my name is Nani, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own slime. So, all you need is a container for your flour inside your container. Put some salt inside it. Show you. Mix the salt and the flour together. Mix it together. Make sure you mix it quite enough. So mix it. Let's mix it. Okay, so once you mixed it enough, now you get to add your oil. So we're gonna put it in and we'll be right back. Okay, we already got our oil in here. Now you have to start mixing it. Then add your water. Then mix it. And this is your result. So start playing with it. Okay, we already got it on our hands right here. So start playing with it and it will feel kind of fun to do. So if you want some color and you don't have food coloring, this is what you can do. So get some of the colors, whatever color you want, and I'll be right back when I choose my color. So I chose red, and we're gonna open it. I know it kind of looks like pink, but it's red, so we're gonna open it. Open it, and you have the tip, and start painting your slime. Sorry, at the beginning I also said slime, and it's Play-Doh, sorry. Start putting it all over your Play-Doh, like she's doing right here. Once you got it all marked up, start playing with it like you were doing at the beginning. Then you start playing with it. Yeah, you start playing with it. Pause it. So this is when you're done, it should look like the color you wanted. I wanted red, but it turned out like pinkish, but I still like pink. And then you have your little Play-Doh. You don't want it very like oily, just play with it and it'll be hard. Not really hard, just not really hard, but it'll be amazing. And that's the tutorial. And I forgot to mention the ingredients, but I think you already realized them in the beginning. So, this is the same. Slime. Sorry, Play-Doh. And that's it for today. Bye. See you next time for our tutorials. Bye.